World premiere. Check this out, guys. That's where your windscreen wiper fluid goes, under the logo. Now this has self-healing technology. So if you get a rock thrown at it, it will self-heal through heat. This is the all-new iX from BMW. Now, look at this. You want to see this? Crystals! Look at this! How beautiful is this? You can move the seat with crystal buttons. Love. You've got a hexagonal wheel, which is so cool. And this beautiful curved display. This is almost 27 inches in one curved display, and it's free floating. Look at this. All right, round the back. These taillights are the thinnest taillights on any BMW to date. Now, watch this. You've got extra taillights here in the boot because the back is so wide, the taillights are integrated into the back. That is cool. Look at this. Look how thin they are. Now, it's all electric, so you charge it here. Pop that open. Pop, pop. And you get about 120 kilometers in quick charge, 10 minutes. Now, another feature I love. This right here. This is so cool. Little latch so you can plug in your own iPad. Otherwise, you would have to buy one integrated into the car, which you don't want to have to do. Costs extra. All right. This right here, the floor mat, is made from recycled plastic. That's cool. Doesn't feel like that. And you've got Shy technology. This wood panel actually has buttons integrated into it. How freaking cool is that? And you've got this massive sunroof, you guys, going the whole way across. And you can actually put your hand up there, make it see-through, and then opaque. Look at that. So cool. Now, this has a range of 600 kilometers. It has 2 electric motors with about 500 horsepower. So it's very well powered. It's going to be coming on the market at the end of next year. Also, these headlights, the thinnest headlights out of any BMW to date. That's it. What do you guys reckon? The all-new iX?